Welcome to my YouTube, guys. It's Temidre Abobara on this video again. Today I'll be sharing another brand new SMM script called Pico SMM. Okay, so here is the script software. And what is Pico SMM? It's a very simple, easy and professional to use. It is a full feature social media marketing solution. You don't have to pay monthly fee. Just download and install it on your hosting. You can use Pico SMS for personal and also for business purpose. Okay, so this particular SMM script is different from those I'll be sharing. Okay, so this particular one does not have front end. So what it has is just admin login and customer login. Okay, once you install it, you'll not be able to, you won't see the front end. What you're going to see is just the admin login and the customer login. And to me, personally, to myself, I love design, because something like this that doesn't have a front end, so that means you need to design your front end by yourself. So you can use WordPress to design your front end. Okay, like others I'll be sharing, like Matrix, uh Smart Panel, SMM Lab, and the rest. They all have front end. What I mean by front end is, once you are done with the installation, let me open this particular one. In the tutorial, like from the developer. So developer puts a front end there it's just for a demo. But once you buy the software, you're not going to see you're not going to see the front end there. So this is the front end the developer put in the demo. So this is how it looked like. Once you load the home page, this is it. You're going to see what is here, the about us, and the menu. Once you click on the menu, it's not going to load. It's just a one page front end. So once you click on the menu here, it's just going to scroll down to that particular menu instead of you. But Matrix, SMM Matrix and Smart Panel, once you click on about us, it's going to load that page. But this one is just a one page. So once you click on any page now, it's just going to scroll down. So to me, if I'm going to choose any SMM script, I'm going to choose this one. I don't know for you, because the reason why I'm choosing it is because I'm a developer. I can design my page and also connect this script to the backend. Because okay, let's just take for example, if you design or develop your front end by yourself, what you just need to do is to copy the admin login somewhere on any of your menu, like this place now. We have login here. Let me open the login in the new tab and the sign up in the new tab. So once you click on get started, it's going to take you to the customer login. Okay, so this one is different and I love it. I know it will be difficult for some people watching the video now because you are not a developer. Okay, but to me, I love this by myself. The reason why I love it is I'm thinking of maybe going into SMM reselling panel, but all these panel I'll be seeing, all of them look the same thing. Their front end, their design look the same thing. I spoke with one of my students yesterday that if you really want to make it big in this industry, you have to come up with a new design, what people have not seen before. Okay, so this is just an expo. Okay, so to me, I love this one, and don't let me go too far. So let's continue. So you all know what this script is all about, and these are the benefits for admin. Okay, and these are the customer benefits. Okay, so these are the popular payment gateway it supports PayPal, Stripe, Paytm, Molly, Paystack, Flutterwave, Google Pay, Authorize.net. So these are the features. Okay, so this is going to be the end of the review. All right, guys. So let me head to my C panel. All right. So this is my C panel. Let's dive in together to do the installation together. Okay. All right. So this is my C panel now. So the first thing I need to do now. So guys, so the first thing to do now is to head to my databases. Let me locate my databases. All right. All right. This is my databases, and what I'm going to do now is to open my SQL database wizard in a new tab. Okay, so here we are going to create our database name. You can use whatever you like here. So I'm going to use script as my database name. Click on next. All right, step 2, create database username. Okay, so I'm going to use script again. So you can use anything, you like. So but me, I prefer to use script. Okay, I'm going to generate my password. Make sure you copy your password. Once you are done, copy your password. Tick. It's not a must you must generate a password. You can use any password of your choice, but for the sake of this video tutorial, I'm using the automated password. So if you are using the automated password, so click on I have copied password and choose password. All right, I'm going to create my database user. Okay, the third step here is I'm going to copy out my database username and the database name. Okay, so next step is to click on all privileges. So once you done that, click on next step. Okay, so task is complete now. So when this your database details, I will advise you to keep it in a safe place. I don't know, in the future you might need it, so I will advise you to keep it in a safe place and save it somewhere. Okay, all right, I'm going to the second step now, still inside the databases. So the next step now is to click on php my admin. Once you click on it, it's going to open itself in a new tab. So you allow it to load. Okay, so It's done loading. So here are the list of my databases. So, but this particular one is the new database I created, if you remember. So click on the database you want to use for your script installation, okay, the one you created earlier. So I'm going to click on it. So here, look at the top bar here, find imports and click on it. So I'm going to click on import. Okay, so I'm going to upload my PicoSMM database file. Okay guys, so to get this software, check the description of this video. You are going to see a link to purchase the software there. Okay, so I already have this software inside my system, inside my laptop. So I'm going to upload it now. So here is the file. So I'm going to upload, this is the SQL file. This is it. So I'm going to upload this SQL file now into my database. Here at this stage now, you click on choose file. I'll go to my desktop. So I'm going to upload my PicoSMM database SQL file. You click on open and you scroll down and click on import. Okay, import has been successfully finished. Okay, I'm done importing my SQL file to my database. All right, let's proceed to step 3. So the third step is to go to our files and click on file managers. So I'm going to click on file manager and it's going to open in a new tab. All right, this is my file manager. Now you are going to choose if you are going to upload your script inside your main directory, or you are going to upload it inside your subdomain. So in this video, I already have my subdomain. That is where I upload all my script for the tutorial. So here in this video, I'm going to upload the PicoSMM script file into my subdomain. So I'm going to scroll down to locate the subdomain. Here it is, script.temidiabari.com. I'm going to open it. If you find any files there, make sure you delete the file because it's not useful. So I'm going to delete the file inside this subdomain folder. All right, if I'm done doing that, click on upload. The upload tab is going to open a new page, and you allow it to load. Click on select file. Here I'm going to head back to my Pico SMS folder to upload the main script file. So this is the main script file, app version 1.0. So you select it and click on open. So you need to allow it to upload. So it's going to start from 0% to 100%. So you need to allow it to upload and make sure the blue light turn to green. Okay. It's like my internet is somehow slow today. All right. The progress is in 100% now, but we are going to allow it to be, we are going to allow the blue color to change to green. So that is where we can proceed. Let's go now. Let me check. Oh, I can see this is the cause where I'm seeing that red alert. So my cPanel have logged out by itself. So let me log in again. Oops. So that means to stand I'm going to start the upload again. Okay. It's there. All right. So I'm done uploading my SMM file, my Pico SMS file. So the next thing to do now is to right click on this zip folder. I'm going to right click on it to extract the files inside my subdomain directory. So I'm going to click on extract. Okay, these are my extraction results. Okay, so let me reload the page. All right, so let's move to step 4. Now I've extract all the file zip inside the zip file to my subdomain directory now. So these are all the files inside the zip file. Okay, so now I'm going to locate .env file. I'm going to right click on it now. I'm I'm going to click on edit to input my database details there. You see the reason why I told you to make sure to keep your database info safe. So here is what I need to do now. I'm going to edit line 14 to line 16, which is the database name and password. Okay, let me go back to my notepad. I'm going to copy out my database username. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to copy out my database name and place it here. The last one is my password. I'm going to paste it here. So once I'm done copying and pasting my database details, the next thing to do now is to click on save. Okay, so I've saved it now. And guys, you know what? I'm going to tell you congratulations, because once you are done with all this step, so the next thing for you to do now is to log into the admin dashboard to see if everything you have done is successful. So I'm going to close this page, and I'm going to open a new tab. I want to access the front end now. As you can see now, I type in script.timidiababari.com. I was redirected here. In the beginning of this video, if you remember, I told you that this particular script is not like the others I've shared before. like Matrix, Smart Panel, SMM Lab. So this is different. Okay. So in this particular script, you have to have your front end designed differently. And once you design it, you just need to attach the login, like the customer login and the customer registration to the front end, so that once your customer click on the login or registration, they will be redirected to the back end to log in or sign up. Okay. So here I need to access the admin dashboard now. So this is the URL to access the admin dashboard. Script.mediabuy.com stroke admin stroke login. So that is the URL to access the admin dashboard. So here it is. So let me use the default login details provided by the developer. I'm going to paste the email here and the password. So here, sign in. Okay. I've been able to sign into the admin dashboard. So here is how the dashboard look like. Okay. So here are the menus. Let me go to customer. These are the customer list. I'm coming. Let me check something. Okay. So this is the sign up link, and this is the login. Yeah, I'm testing the customer login and sign up URL. Okay, so let me go back to the dashboard. So this is the page for customer. So any customer that register using your sign up link, so you're going to see their list here. And the next one is categories. So these are categories. These are categories. You can have as many categories as you like. So this category is used in creating service. Okay, if you want to create like service, how many platforms do I think it's only Facebook that use like categories. Okay, so you can just categorize your services as you like. You might categorize them as follow, because Twitter as follow, uh, thread as follow. Okay, so you can just categorize like that. So let's go to the service. It has a submenu. It has type of service. Let me click on name. As you can see, I told you earlier that you are going to need a category to create a service. So if you have your categories created earlier, so you can just click on it here to choose the category you want to use for this particular service. So the next one is list of service. Okay, let me click on new. Okay, so the next one is order request. So from the customer dashboard, so customer can perform different type of activities from their dashboard. Okay, So once you just, as the admin, once you listed your service, everything, and so customers are going to see everything inside their dashboard. So they can order from their service, from the dashboard. Okay, you know, some panel, some SMM scripts for customer to order for their service. Maybe they listed their service at the front end, but this particular script now is once customer log into their dashboard, so they can see your services, and from their dashboard they can order for what they want. Okay, so I just like the way they build this one. So this one is different. This one look different from other SMM scripts. So the next page now is refund request. So the refund request is just a place where you are going to see requests from customer that as in that requested for refund. Maybe they don't like your service, or they can request for a refund, and once they request for it, so this is where to track all the request for refund. So the next page is providers. So I think these these providers are, they are for external external API service. Maybe if you want to plug in your service with another reseller, so this is where you are going to add them. Once you click on new, so the provider, the SMM provider name, so the URL and the API key. So you paste it here, and once you are done, you click on save. So this is what this page is all about. So here is deposit. The deposit has two sub menu, the request and list. So I think this particular this request means from the customer dashboard, customer can request for a deposit from the admin. So and here list, so this is going to be a list of people that just deposit fund into their account. Let's move to the next page, report. The report have two submenus, order and transaction. So this is going to be, it might be a daily or weekly or monthly report. We are going to be monitoring all activities happening on your site, like the orders you got in a week, in a month. So let's move to transactions. So this is going to be report for transaction for your daily, weekly, and monthly or yearly transaction. Okay, so here is ticket. So once customer need anything, so they can send you, if they need support, they can create a ticket from their dashboard, and once they send, it's going to notify you here. So and from here you can respond to what they request for. Okay, notice. So I think this particular page is for you to send notice to all your members, allow you to send notice to all your members. And the next one is website settings, theme customization. Okay, so this is the theme customization. If you want to customize the admin dashboard, maybe you want to turn the dashboard to dark, this is where you're going to do it. If you want to turn it back to light, this is where you're going to do it. Okay, so let's move to site settings, and I think that is the last page. Okay, so this is the size settings. So the profile is the admin profile. So you can change the admin name here. Okay, I change the admin email, the admin name. If you want to change the admin email, so you can do this via the database. Okay, you can change the picture like this avatar. You can turn it, you can change to a picture. And the next one is application. So what's this application for? Okay, so this is for recapture site kit. If you want, if you don't want boots to hit your site, so you can just create a recapture key and paste it here. So here is for your favicon. If you want to change the logo here on your browser header, so you choose the favicon. If you want to change your website logo here, so here is customer registration. You can disable and enable it. Okay, let me enable it because I was wondering why the sign up button is not in the login page. Okay, for you to change the customer registration from disabled to enable, you need to put in something here. Let me put something here. Let me just put admin and let me change it back to enable. Submit. Okay, I've been able to change it. So let me go to the front page and let me see if the sign up button will come back. Okay, so it has come back now. So here is the sign up button. I was wondering that what type of developer is this? You only support sign in. So once customer click here, they can register. Okay. All right. So let's go to SNTP. So this SNTP is for email. Like if a customer register, they are supposed to receive a welcome message. If you don't set up your SNTP, they won't get email from you. They won't get any notification. So it's just for notification. So to set up your SMTP is very easy. It's very easy to set it up. Okay, so just go to your dashboard and you go to your email. Okay, you go to your email account. So once you go to your email, you're going to see a button that says configure for client. So once you click on configure for client, so all the configuration you need, you're going to see all the configuration you're going to need. The host, the SNTP, the mail ports, the from your email, and the username and password. You're going to see everything there. So I don't want to open my email just for security purpose. Okay, so let's move to email template. So this is the email template for registration and forget password. So this one is for this particular one for registration. Like if a customer register, what do you want them to get? Like the subject of the email, what do you want them to get? You can say welcome. You can just say welcome. Welcome can be the subject of the registration email. So you now put whatever you need to put in the body. Okay. So if you want to include, if you want to greet the customer, if you want to greet the customer with their name, with the name they use to register, so just copy this short code here. You can say welcome, welcome. So this short code here is going to display that person's name. Okay, welcome this. And if you want to include a verification link whereby a customer is going to a customer needs to click on a verification link to verify their account, so you just need to embed this code into the body of your template. You can just say click on the activation activation link. This link is going to embed a link here like this. Okay, to activate your account. Okay, so you can just, this is just a sample. This one, I'm just using this as a sample for a welcome message for a customer. Welcome, so person. The best, we are the, let me say, we are the best SMM service provider in town. Click on activation link to activate your account. So simple. So in the forgot password too, you can put reset password here, and also put the link, embed the link inside the body. Okay, so let's move to payments gateway. So if you have paper, so you put the configuration here. If it's Stripe, you put in the configuration. If it's Paytm, you know what to do. And if you are using Molly, you put the API key, paste tag, your public secret key, payment URL, email, you set it to active, and you submit. Flutterwave, the same thing, you put your public key, Google Pay, authorize coin payments offline. So make sure you activate, the status is active. Okay, so let's move to local settings. So if you want to change your language from here to English, you change your date format. So you choose your time zone and your currency. Okay, currency code. So set everything up. Once you are done, you click on submit. And the last but not the least, translation. If you want your site to be multilingual, so you click on translation. I think it's going to open in a new tab. Okay, so just read everything here carefully. So they are very easy to set up. So fill in the details and publish all. So that is it. So this everything you need to know about Pico SMM script. So, and this is going to be the end of this video. If you are a new viewer on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. At least it's going to allow me to grow, and it's going to ginger me to drop a new video for you guys if I see my platform growing. And if you are current subscribers, please don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Okay, and if there's anything you need, please comment on the video. Okay, so please share the video, comment. All right, and please subscribe to my channel, and I would love to see my channel growing. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here, guys. So if there's anything you need, if it needs to contact me via my email, please contact me on my email. So my social media handle is embedded on my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, my Instagram, and my Twitter, and my WhatsApp. So I've just added my WhatsApp link here, so you can also chat me on WhatsApp. So I'm going to see you in my next video, guys.